wait until the end of the video, you will be surprised by what these guys did during the storm.
वीडियो को पसंद आया तो लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।